Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at Noura Fatehi's incredible mini dress fashion choices that have left fans mesmerized. Whether it's for high-end events or casual outings, her mini dress game is on another level. Noura Fatehi loves her sparkle. One of her signature mini dress styles is the sequin dress, which she wears like a true diva. Whether it's a metallic gold number or an iridescent silver stunner, she knows how to shine at every event. Take a look at this dazzling silver sequin mini dress she wore for a red carpet event. With its plunging neckline and high hemline, this dress screams confidence and glamour. Sequin mini dresses are perfect for a night out or a special occasion, and Noura styles them with just the right accessories, often opting for minimal jewelry and letting the dress do all the talking. A simple pair of heels and a chic clutch is all she needs to complete the look. When it comes to highlighting her stunning figure, Noura gravitates towards bodycon mini dresses. These dresses hug her curves in all the right places and create a sleek, sophisticated silhouette. One of her most memorable looks was this vibrant red bodycon dress with a sweetheart neckline. Paired with strappy heels and her signature flowing locks, she looked like a vision. The bodycon dress is all about confidence and poise, and she knows exactly how to carry it with elegance. Her choice of solid, bold colors adds a level of sophistication that balances the tight fit of the dress. Flirty, fresh, and fun, the beauty often switches things up with floral and printed mini dresses. These looks are perfect for daytime events or more casual settings. Whether it's a light floral sundress or a bold animal print mini dress, she manages to keep it playful while maintaining her chic style. This floral mini dress she wore to a summer event is a perfect example. The soft fabric and delicate pattern created a breezy, effortless look. The beauty often pairs these dresses with open-toe sandals or wedges, and keeps her makeup light and natural. It's a great reminder that fashion can be both fun and stylish, and that comfort doesn't have to come at the cost of elegance. Noura is no stranger to edgy fashion either. When she wants to make a bold statement, she turns to leather or structured mini dresses. These pieces bring out her fierce side, combining sophistication with a rebellious edge. This black leather mini dress with sharp shoulders and a cinched waist was an absolute showstopper. Paired with sleek hair and bold makeup, her fierce attitude shone through. Structured mini dresses add a sense of power and boldness to any look. Whether it's leather, sharp cuts, or intricate designs, these dresses let Noura channel her inner boss lady, and we love to see it. We can't talk about mini dresses without mentioning the timeless little black dress. Noura's collection of LBDs is nothing short of iconic. From chic strapless versions to high neck, sleeve designs, she proves that the LBD will never go out of style. In this particular look, she donned a sleek off-shoulder black mini dress with minimal accessories, letting the simplicity of the dress take center stage. The beauty of an LBD is its versatility. The beauty shows us how it can be styled for both formal occasions with a pair of heels and a bold red lip, or dressed down with boots and a leather jacket for a more casual look. It's an absolute wardrobe staple. Noura Fatehi is never one to shy away from bold colors, and her mini dress collection is full of vibrant shades that complement her radiant personality. From fiery reds to electric blues and vivid greens, she knows how to work the color wheel. One of her most standout moments was in this electric blue ruffled mini dress with a cinched waist and asymmetrical hemline. The color added an air of freshness, while the playful ruffles gave the dress movement and volume, allowing Noura to make a dynamic entrance at any event. One of the key takeaways from her fashion choices is her ability to experiment with different silhouettes, always keeping things fresh and exciting. While bodycon dresses emphasize her curves, she's not afraid to opt for more experimental cuts, such as a voluminous A-line or a ruffled off-shoulder number. These silhouettes not only make her outfits more visually intriguing but also bring an element of surprise. For instance, this voluminous pink mini dress with exaggerated sleeves was a bold departure from her usual sleek style, yet she carried it off effortlessly. Colors play a huge role in her style evolution, and she knows exactly how to balance the energy of vibrant shades with more classic or neutral accessories. Her confidence in playing with both bold hues and unique cuts is what keeps her fashion choices captivating. Whether she's walking the red carpet or attending a casual brunch, she doesn't just follow trends, she sets them. While Noura is often seen in glamorous, event-ready outfits, she can also dial it back and create more effortless, laid-back looks. For casual days out, Noura is often spotted in comfortable yet chic mini dresses. One of her go-to styles for a day out is the flowy, breezy mini dress, often made from lightweight fabrics like cotton or chiffon. Take this floral wrap mini dress she wore for a beach day. It was the perfect combination of casual chic with just the right hint of glam, paired with flat sandals and a sun hat for a relaxed yet fashionable vibe. Even when she's off duty, the beauty knows how to elevate her casual looks by keeping things simple but polished. A basic sundress or a floral mini paired with statement sunglasses and minimal makeup can be just as striking as her red carpet ensembles. Her ability to bring elegance to even the most casual outfits is a testament to her unique sense of style. She makes dressing up look easy and effortless. Nora Fatehi's fashion sense is a brilliant example of how to strike the perfect balance between sexy and sophisticated. She knows how to flaunt her figure without going overboard, showing just the right amount of skin while maintaining an air of elegance. The dress highlighted her curves, but its minimalist design and classic black color kept the look chic and refined. One of the reasons her mini dress looks are so iconic is that she knows how to complement daring cuts with subtle styling. Even with more revealing outfits, she keeps her accessories and makeup understated, letting the dress be the main statement. Whether it's a thigh-high slit, a plunging neckline, or backless detailing, she adds just enough drama without overpowering her look. While the mini dress itself may be the star of the show, the beauty never underestimates the power of accessories to elevate her outfits. From wide belts that cinch her waist to statement earrings that add just the right amount of sparkle, the beauty uses accessories to enhance her look without overdoing it. One memorable example was a white belted mini dress she wore with gold hoop earrings and strappy heels, which gave her look a sleek, modern edge. The belt added structure to the outfit, accentuating her waistline and giving the dress a high fashion feel. Accessories are key to transforming a basic mini dress into a show-stopping ensemble, and Nora demonstrates this perfectly. By choosing one or two bold pieces, like a pair of statement earrings or a chic belt, she adds a layer of sophistication without overwhelming the outfit. Her use of metallic heels, for instance, is another trick she employs to add a touch of glamour to even the simplest dresses. Another signature look in her mini dress collection is the high-slit mini dress, which allows her to show off her toned legs while maintaining a sophisticated and sultry vibe. High slits are a trend that Nora has embraced with confidence, and it's easy to see why. From a classic black mini with a thigh-high slit to a daring red number with a dramatic leg cut, she always makes sure that the look is balanced and graceful. Nora loves to experiment with different hairstyles to complement her outfits, from sleek high ponytails to voluminous waves. For more glamorous looks, she often opts for bold red lips and smoky eyes, while for casual outings, she sticks to soft, dewy makeup with nude tones. One of her most iconic beauty pairings was with a shimmering silver mini dress, where she styled her hair in loose curls and opted for a dramatic winged eyeliner that added an extra dose of glam. Matching your makeup and hair to your outfit can really elevate the entire look. She often plays up her features to complement the mood of the dress she's wearing. For example, if she's rocking a bold, high-slit mini dress, she might go for a sleek, high ponytail and bold lips. On the other hand, a softer, floral mini dress calls for loose curls and more natural makeup. The beauty is the perfect example of how beauty and fashion work hand in hand to create unforgettable looks. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.